turn the auto off before closing it. Fold the grips and lower the tiller. Get ready to lower the seat. Slide the security lever and open the back handle. The seat will lower itself to position. Push it all the way down. Now move to the front. Lift and open the front handle. And in the center, lift the main handle to close the auto. Now you can close and lower the tiller. The auto is now in parking mode.
Riding a bike is one of the best workouts you can get for your cardiovascular system and for keeping fit. While normal cycling is great for your legs, it doesn't do much for the muscles of your upper body. What if there was a bike that could give your arms and upper body the same kind of workout you'd get by rowing or going to a gym? By adding a secondary paddling system for your hands, you can now achieve the same kind of workout with your arms and upper body as with your legs. In addition to your lower body, you can work your biceps, triceps, chest, shoulders, lats, abs, as well as the entire core by using varying riding techniques. And all this while enjoying beautiful outdoor scenery and breathing in fresh air. Twice the workout, twice the fun.
Bicycle is particularly useful when going up hills and your legs get tired, as you can just take over with your arms. This here is over 20% gradient and we have no problem just going up.
Use TWINCYCLE as a normal bike, a hand cycle, or a combination of both. TWINCYCLE comes with gears, so you can increase or lower resistance to perfectly tailor your individual needs and is equally suitable for both women and men. Chest pads provide full upper body support and prevents riders from making contact with the chainring. There is also an optional chainring cover. TWINCYCLE is easy to operate. Steering handles can achieve tight maneuvers and double as arm cranks. We believe that the most enjoyable workout happens when it's combined with adventure. If you are the kind of person who likes working out outdoors, then this is the right product for you.
Meet Milo, the fast-folding electric vehicle. In just 1 second, Milo transforms from its compact design into a comfortable electric vehicle. Milo was designed to improve your commute, help you get around, and make life a little bit more fun and exciting. With Milo's unique, ultra-compact design, Milo makes the best travel buddy for any situation. He folds up into about the size of a set of golf clubs, and even while folded, you can wheel him around. You can take him with you on the train, on the bus, or even stow him easily in your RV for cross-country adventure. Milo also fits easily into the trunk of a car. The front 2 wheels are designed to mirror each other's movements and work in unison to make sure all 3 wheels are always planted securely on the ground. This provides excellent traction and handling. Milo is powered by a 250-watt geared hub motor. It's controlled by the easy-to-use display that shows your speed, battery life, odometer, and power level. To operate Milo, turn on the display, select your desired power level, and push down the thumb throttle to accelerate. In your highest power level, Milo will reach speeds of up to 18 miles per hour. Milo even comes with front and rear lights and a horn. You have the option to run 1 or 2 batteries. 1 battery gets you 15 miles range, and 2 batteries will get you up to 30 miles range. To recharge, just plug the Milo into a standard outlet for 3.5 hours, and you'll be powered up and ready to ride again. The Milo can also be fitted with a second seat, so you can bring along a companion. Milo's headquarters is in Seattle, Washington, and we have a team available 7 days a week to answer questions and keep your Milo running in tip-top shape. Currently, we only have a handful of Milo demos. Your pre-order will help us fund mass production and help us get these in the hands of more happy customers.